Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about hairstyling tips and tricks that you can use to create beautiful hairstyles. Whether you have short hair, long hair, curly hair, or straight hair, these tips will help you achieve a great look. So let's get started. Tip 1. Use heat protectant. The first tip is to always use a heat protectant when using hot tools on your hair. This will help prevent damage and keep your hair healthy. Apply the heat protectant before using a curling iron or flat iron. And be sure to evenly distribute it throughout your hair. Tip 2. Don't overuse heat tools. Another important tip is to avoid using hot tools too often. Heat can damage your hair and cause split ends. So try to limit your use of hot tools to a few times a week. You can also try using alternative styling methods, like air drying your hair or using hair rollers. Tip 3. Use the right products. Using the right products for your hair type is crucial for achieving a great hairstyle. If you have curly hair, look for products specifically designed for curly hair, like a curl-enhancing cream. If you have fine hair, use a volumizing spray to give your hair some lift. And if you have dry hair, use a hydrating hair mask to nourish your strands. Tip 4. Section your hair. When styling your hair, it's important to section it off to make sure you're working with manageable pieces. Use hair clips to separate your hair into sections, and work on one section at a time. This will help you achieve a more even and polished look. Tip 5. Experiment with braids. Braids are a great way to add some variety to your hairstyle. Try a simple braid for a casual look, or a more intricate braid for a special occasion. You can also experiment with different types of braids, like a fishtail braid or a French braid. Tip 6. Use dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is a lifesaver when you don't have time to wash your hair. It can help absorb excess oil and give your hair some texture and volume. Apply dry shampoo to your roots and use your fingers to massage it in. You can also use dry shampoo to add some grip to your hair when creating an updo. Tip 7. Don't be afraid to experiment. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different hairstyles and techniques. If you see a hairstyle you like, try it out and see how it looks on you. You may be surprised at how a simple change can completely transform your look. Conclusion. So those are my top hairstyling tips and tricks. I hope you found them helpful and that you'll try some of them out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in